You don't lack motivation. Your phone is killing it. You call yourself lazy, undisciplined, unfocused. But look at your day. You wake up, grab your phone, and before your feet touch the floor, you've already scrolled through more content than older generations saw in a week. By the time you stand up, your brain is tired, and the day hasn't even started. That's not a you problem. That's phone addiction draining you. In this video from Inspire Path 2.0, you'll see 5 hard proofs that your phone is destroying your motivation. If even one sounds like your life, you're not just distracted. You're wired to fail. Let's start. Proof 1. Your phone steals your morning. Think about last week. How many days did you wake up, open your phone, and lose 20 minutes in bed? You say, I'm just waking up, but your brain learns one rule: comfort before effort. Your first action every day is not a win, it's a scroll. So when it's time to study, work, or train, your mind expects the same pattern. First, easy pleasure. Later, maybe effort. Motivation dies. When your morning belongs to your phone. Proof 2. Your attention is shredded. You open your phone to check one thing. Reply, notification. Time, 10 minutes later, you're on a different app, watching a video you never planned to see. Your brain evolved to hunt one thing for hours. Now it hunts 20 things per minute. Short clips, fast posts, fresh notifications. Your attention span gets cut into 5-second pieces, but motivation needs a target. You can't feel driven toward anything big if your focus dies every few seconds. Proof 3. Micro hits replace real progress. You should be working. Instead, you reach for one quick check, one reel, one joke, one short. Each hit gives you a tiny sense of achievement. You didn't move your life, you moved your thumb, but dopamine still drops. So why would your brain fight through a hard, slow task when it can get 10 fake wins? In the same time, your phone trains you to choose micro rewards over real progress. A brain full of micro rewards never feels deep motivation. It already feels rewarded doing nothing. Proof 4. Your self-trust is broken. Every day you promise, I'll just check for a minute. After this video, I'll start. I'll only scroll while I eat. Every day, you break it. 1 minute becomes 30. One video becomes 30. You think the cost is only time. The real cost is belief. You teach your brain, I don't do what I say. Motivation lives on self-trust. If you don't believe yourself, why would your brain send you energy when you say, this time I'll change, or I'll start tomorrow? Your phone didn't just steal hours. It stole your ability to trust your own word. Proof 5. Your energy is gone before you start. Check your screen time. Be honest. How many hours today went into messages, shorts, reels, feeds? By the time you finally sit to do real work, your eyes burn, your mind is foggy, your body feels heavy. You call it no motivation, but you already spent your mental fuel on swiping. Motivation is not magic. It's energy plus direction. Your phone takes the energy and leaves you with no direction. If any of this feels uncomfortably accurate, your motivation isn't broken. Your dopamine system is, and your phone is holding the remote. You won't fix this by watching another hype video. While you scroll, you fix it by changing the rules. For the next 7 days, no phone for the first 30 minutes after waking. Put it in another room during one 30-minute work or study block. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Check screen time every night and write one line. Did this make me stronger or weaker today? Do this for a week. The fog starts to lift. Tasks feel lighter. Motivation slowly comes back because your brain finally has space to want something again. Now ask yourself, which proof hit you the hardest? Morning scroll? Endless app switching? Micro hits instead of progress? Broken self-trust? No energy left to start? Type it in the comments and admit it to yourself. That's your first step toward taking your life back. And if you're ready to stop letting phone addiction run your day and start rebuilding a brain that can focus, work, and finish what it starts, subscribe to Inspire Path 2.0. This is where we build discipline, reset your brain, and install the systems that make you sharper than everyone still trapped inside their screen, wondering why they never feel motivated.